Hi friends, welcome to BrownEyes cooking. In this video, we can see how to prepare garlic chutney. This chutney, you can keep it for a week, keep it in a fridge and you can use whenever you require. Let's see the ingredients. Cup of garlic, 15 dry chillies, ginger oil, salt as required. Let's grind the chutney now. Take a cup of garlic, add dry chilli, add salt as required. Add ginger oil. We should not use water to grind this chutney. We should grind the chutney using this oil only. Let's grind. Chutney is ready. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye.